Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you all the new additions to the most recent Minecraft Snapshot. Firstly, just like pigs and cows, chickens now come in warm and cold versions, in addition to the original temperate chicken. Each type lays a different coloured egg, blue for cold chickens and brown for warm chickens. You can use any egg to bake cakes and pumpkin pies. Cold chickens appear in snowy and cold forest areas, while warm chickens are found in savannas, jungles and badlands. If you breed a warm chicken with a normal chicken, the baby chick will be either warm or normal. There are also two new types of dry grass that have been added, short and tall. Both are only 1 block high, unlike regular tall grass. They grow in deserts and badlands and can be placed on sand, terracotta and dirt. You can break dry grass with shears or a silk touch tool. Sheep can eat it and you can use it for composting, or as a fuel in a furnace. Cactus flowers have also been introduced. These new flowers can grow on cacti in deserts and badlands. They can grow naturally on cacti and the chances are higher on taller cacti. You can break cactus flowers without a tool and then place them back on cacti or other blocks. Bees like cactus flowers as well, and you can breed them with it. You can also craft cactus flowers into pink dye or use them in a composter. You can now place leaf litters on any block with center support. The hitbox of the new bush blocks now goes all the way to the ground. Using bone meal on bushes won't waste the bone meal if there's no room to grow another bush. Bushes and firefly bushes won't stop trees from growing anymore, and trees can now replace them. Firefly bushes can now make sounds at night if there's nothing directly above them except leaves. Things like crops growing, copper aging and amethyst crystals forming can now happen in any chunk that's loaded, not just the ones near players. This is because these chunks now get something called random ticks. Chunks that are loaded by things like entities going through portals or ender pearls now also get random ticks. Fire will no longer burn, spread or disappear in chunks that aren't near players. And lastly, there's also a new game rule called allow fire ticks away from player. If you turn this on, fire will act like normal even in chunks far away from players. There's only a couple bug fixes in the snapshot, and one of them is that you won't get stuck inside your mount when you dismount it. Another one is that you can now place kelp, nether vines and cave vines on top of existing vines of the same type. Thank you so much for watching. If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to contact our support. Bye guys!